Good morning everyone. My name is Srishti from class 4. From class 5th, I am here with GK quiz. My first question is, who invented the ballpoint pen? Can anyone answer?
Bro, brother.
Right answer. My second question is, which scientist discovered the radioactivity element radium? Can anyone answer? Right answer. My third question is, what James Watt invented? Roller steam engine. This one. Steam engine. Correct answer. Who invented bicycle? Can anyone answer? And the answer is Kirkpatrick Macmillan. Who invented the internet? Yes.
Robot E. Khan.
Yes. What Sir Isaac Newton invented? Isaac Newton invented. Can anyone answer?
Law of gravity.
Right answer. Thank you very much.
Wait. What? Is there any birthday? Ask.
Is there any birthday child?
Ask. You are having birthday today? Come.
Is there any birthday celebration today?
Go from that side.
Thank you everyone.
Now listen all of you, today as you have seen, so many vans are coming late today. So many vans came late today, and tomorrow onwards, I think you all know what is your van timing? All know? So please make sure that you reach to your stop 5 minutes before. Otherwise, vans will not wait for you. Is that clear to all of you?
Yes.
8 o'clock, I want all of you to be here for the assembly. Is that clear?
Yes, ma'am. School, attention! Attendees! Attention!
A book is the best gift that will be given to anyone, and this gift remains a memory forever. We eat sweets and we forget that person, but you read the book, they remain in your memory forever. And that's all for today's assembly. Thank you.